I'm super excited about this first episode of Quest 1. So in Quest 1, we're going to be building a character API for our role-playing game. The character API would be used to create new characters and also to update attributes and to get characters. At this stage, we're just going to store them in a JSON file. Let's look at what's required. I want to challenge you. You can use AI, you can use any tool to do this, but don't cheat in terms of getting something to just do this for you. I want you to learn, and to learn, it's going to require some resistance, and resistance is going to build the brain cells. So let's jump into this. So what is expected? You can go to our repository, github.com/VoyagerQuests. That's where you can find all the code. Go to repositories, go to Quest 1, go to episode 1. And then inside episode 1, you'll see the README file. It'll automatically appear right over here. And then go into read quests. This is going to be the instructions for the quest. Read through this. I'll quickly just scan through it. Episode 1, build the character API. Your mission is to create a backend system in Python that manages a set of characters and their attributes. This will be the first building block of your adventure world, the character API, a registry where all heroes, villains, and wanderers are stored. So then point number 1, that's the different endpoints that we need to support. Look at the descriptions over there, list all characters, retrieve a single character by ID, update a specific attribute's value, add a new character, delete a character. And then let's look at point number 2 over there, character data model. Those are the fields that you need to store per character. So there should be an ID for a character that you'll automatically generate. Then a name, one name, no last name or surname there. And then health from 0 to 100, and then a dictionary of attributes. So let's look at those attributes. Attributes should be might, agility, vitality, insight, arcana, and presence. Anybody who's played role-playing games, this should be familiar to you. This is our own version of it. But over time, these attributes will give you certain strengths and powers and enable you to do certain things. So then finally, the data storage, we want this to be stored in a JSON file, characters.json, and that file should look exactly like what you see over there. You can see an example of what that should be. And then if you're up to it, you have some bonus challenges over here. Add validation, health and attributes must stay between 0 and 100. Add a search parameter to filter by name. And use pedantic models to add safety to your API. Return proper HTTP status codes, example 404. Add automatic ID assignment. And then your learning outcomes is how to design and expose REST APIs in Python, how to read and write structured data, data modeling validation, CRUD operations, JSON file persistence. Good luck. And once you're done with this quest, I do a walkthrough of this where I'll show you where I build it, actually coding it out. See you in that video, and thanks for joining.